Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one thing that some have asked me is if I will keep my Windows 10 machine running. And here's the thing about this. So we know that Windows 10 is still very high. We still got a year and a few months left. And the market share of Windows 10, we'll see where it is next year. Is there going to be a quick drop suddenly? Is something going to happen that's going to make it drop to a point where it's not worth it? Because my keeping of Windows 10 here will really follow how important it is for the channel and for you guys. If it would be just 5% of Windows, I'll be moving on. I won't pay for patches. I'll just install a unsupported Windows 11 on this machine, which will work fine. And that is the idea. If it doesn't work, for the updates, then yeah, unsupported Windows 11 will be what I'm going to do here, because this machine is going to continue working, doing other stuff. And we'll see. I might even, simply take this machine, dedicate it for something else, and buy something more recent that will have more power, because this one isn't very powerful. We'll see. So it'll all depend on the market share, actually. The higher the market share of Windows next year, the higher the chances that I will be, of course, continuing paying with zero patches, or if it's not zero patches, they'll be paying with Windows Update for Microsoft, depending on how much it costs. So we'll all see, and we'll see what happens next. This should run Windows 11 unsupported fairly okay. It runs Windows 10, little sluggish, but not too bad. I expect pretty much the same performance out of Windows 11. So it all depends what is going to happen next. And one thing for sure, this is going to be happening only in October of 2025, when we'll see what we do next and how many of you are still on Windows 10 and will be using the updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.